Markets have no volume, but rip your face off anyway. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's opening day, baseball season. It's open, and it's opening day for the Rip Your Face Off rally, as we saw a market that had very, very little volume, about half of what's been the new normal. And of course, we got a Rip Your Face Off rally, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, holiday tomorrow. Not a huge surprise. I mean, maybe the size of the rally was a surprise, but that we rallied, as we said during the week, that a rally, the markets would probably rally on light volume. If it was busy, it would be because the markets were breaking, and of course we got the big rally. Not pleasant if you were short, but again, really just another selling opportunity the way we look at it. And of course, we're looking for a level to sell. Interesting, bonds were higher, dollar was higher, markets were higher, oil was higher, gold was lower, Bitcoin was lower. So again, you're having a big mix of stuff, and I think, again, you look for opportunities to sell. I think gold looks like it's going back down to 1,300. Oil is churning, but again, it is lower. It is making lower highs now, so that looks to be ending over. The bonds, I think, was just more of a dead cat bounce, more of a short covering rally. You know, it's unusual, especially when the trend is lower in bonds, that they would rally with an up market, but they did. The VIX got clobbered. Again, no real surprise. There was nothing really that surprising today that would really say, something's changing. What we're really seeing is that what we would have assumed is that after some heavy selling, you would see a dead cat bounce or a rip your face off rally. And of course, the day started out very much like yesterday, traded back and forth, and in fact, the NASDAQ was down at one point after being higher, and look at where it closed up about 150 or 160. So at the end of the day, we're looking for a spot to sell. Again, most likely you might see a little bit of follow through on Monday next week, because it's a new month, a new quarter. Maybe we'll start to see some selling. Again, there was some house cleaning and some window dressing today. Not a major surprise. The bottom line is the fund managers have little problems here. The markets have been under pressure, and people are starting to get nervous. So we'll see how that all plays out. In the meantime, we're going to look for, again, we're going to continue to say that the top of the market's in. We're going to continue to think that the dollar is going to be the key culprit. And if the dollar can break through 91 or 92, I think that really puts the equities under a lot of pressure. Grains had an announcement today, obviously the progress planning report, and they exploded to the upside. As we said, we would go into this report long, and here you have it. Corn was up about 13 cents, wheat was up about 8, and beans were up about 25 or 30. And again, another big rally. And I think that rally and that information turned cattle around. Cattle was up early and got clobbered, actually closed down limit. I think that's a buying opportunity as well. In fact, I think the whole agricultural space is really just one big buying opportunity right now. Of course, I would expect to see some selling in the grain just early in the week, just to relieve some of this straight up rally we just had. Bitcoin under pressure, but I interviewed Stan Larimer, and he's one of the guys involved in Bitcoin, well, actually in the crypto space. And again, they're all looking just for a little bit of a break here, but I think that it's pretty obvious that they're going to start to move higher here in the next couple of weeks. So if you're in that space, I'd look to be a buyer. I think that we're going to see a lot of changes here and a lot of things for the good. So again, overall, we'd look to be a seller of equities. We'd look for gold in mid-range, looking to be a buyer of the dollar, and we look to be in certain spots, not in other spots, but on both sides of the market, depending on the market that you're looking at. In the meantime, it is opening day, and it is Good Friday tomorrow, and a blessed Good Friday, everybody. Happy Easter and happy Passover to everybody. As always, I thank you for joining me on Bubba's Daily Update. And if you'd like to help out my high school investing program, all you have to do is go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading if you'd like to help out. And if not, everybody have a great day. Have a great holiday weekend. And again, happy Easter, happy Passover to all of you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you back over the weekend for Bubba's Bottom Line, and then again, Bubba's Daily Update on Monday. Thank you, everybody. Have a great holiday. We'll see you later.